Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, as you can see, I made another constitutional silver purchase today. Was able to get another fantastic deal from my local resource. I don't have to pay for shipping or any of that stuff. We meet locally, pick it up, and it's pretty quick and smooth. So, as you can see here, got 2 rolls of halves, 2 rolls of quarters, and 2 rolls of dimes. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so this is how he gave it to me today. And if we count, we have $10, $20, $30, $40, $50 face in here. So $50 face of constitutional silver. Very nice assortment as well. 2 rolls of each. I'm really happy about that. I love filling up those card house boxes. So let's take a look at what we have here. We'll look at the halves first. These maybe like this. And we'll look at the halves. And let's see what we have in here. Okay, so let's look at the first roll of halves. See what's in here. Nice assortment. Pretty happy that I got all 3 today. Alright, so there is the edges. Let's see what we have. Looks like we have all walkers in here. Some of the 30s. Yep, definitely some 30s in here. Getting into the 40s. You must go through them and organize them because looks like they're all in order here. So, what I don't think he was doing before, I don't think he was going through and really looking at what he had, but with all these things being in order, it's pretty apparent that he's taking a look at what he's given me before he gives them to me, which, really is the wise thing to do, so can't really blame him for that, can we? Let's take a look at this roll. We have, I believe these are going to be all Kennedys because he told me he gave me a roll of nice Kennedys. So let's take a look at these. Left one behind. Make sure we empty those. See here, looks like there are some dirty edges, but that's okay. But the coins themselves look pretty nice. Turn that down a little bit. There we go. Not quite the reflection now. Going to be all 64s. Pretty nice shape, even though the edges look a little dirty. Coins themselves look pretty nice. So yeah, these are nice. I'll have to go through them all. We know they're all 64s. And so, look at the difference in the stack. You know what? I didn't count these. I better make sure they're 4, 10, there's 20 there. Oh boy, you can see, you can't really see it, but look at this. This half will slide off right on top of that stack. That shows you the difference in wear between the Kennedys and the Walking Liberties. Look at the difference in wear. But we know that. That's why I like to get the Roosevelt dimes, and that's why I like the Kennedys if I can get them, because the wear is quite a bit less, and since I'm a stacker, I'm trying to get as much silver as possible. So there we go, $10, $20. And let's take a look at the quarters here. Quarters take a little bit more to get into your hand. Looks good to me. Yeah, we got a little toned one there. Obviously something was sitting on top of that coin. It's a 1959. So yeah, got some nice quarters here. You know what, I'm going to end up knocking down these halves anyway, so let's just go ahead and knock them down. Mix them up a little bit. Oh, I love the back of these halves. I really love that eagle. It's one of my favorites. Alright, so I'll give them a good mix here in a minute, right before I do my thumbnail. So let's open up this other roll of quarters. So as most of you know, a roll of quarters has 40 of them in there. It takes 40 quarters to equal $10. Each roll is $10 face. So we've got 80 quarters here, and we've got 40 halves. And those quarters got covered up by the halves. Oh man, run away, off the screen. Ah! I'm gonna mix them all up anyway. Yeah, getting off the screen on me. Alright, so let's take a look at these dimes. I believe these are our Rosies. He usually tells me when he gives me Mercuries. He gave me Mercuries last week. All of them. Actually 60 of them. But here we have, there is a, these actually are Mercuries. Look at that. Whole roll of Mercuries. Awesome. You know, the Roosevelts have more silver in them, but the Mercuries are desirable and more collectible. A lot of people like to collect the Mercuries, so yeah, I'm okay with that too. Look at that, they're all in pretty good shape. No real slicks. That one's in pretty nice shape. What year is that? 1937. Nice. Nice. I assume he goes for these. I'm assuming I'm not getting a 1916D or anything in here, so it'd be good to verify someday, but let's look at this. Alright, so here's our Rosies. 50 of them. 50 of them make up a tube. Each roll of dimes is $5. That's right on there, $5. Each roll of quarters is $10. That's right on there, $10. And each roll of halves is $10. Alright, so that's how we make up $50. There's $20 in halves, $20 in quarters, and there's $10 in dimes. Oh, so what do you think, huh? Whew. Man, what a nice little assortment here. Man, I love it. Love that sound too. So why don't we figure out, let's move this over a little bit. So why don't we figure out how much silver we have in here? And how are we going to do that? We're going to take the face value, which is $50. We're going to multiply it by 0.715. And it is 35.75 troy ounces of silver. 35.75, so almost 36 ounces of silver. Pretty cool, huh? And I got another great deal. Silver has been going up quite a bit, and he's kept his price the same. So what I got this for was $3.16 per ounce below spot. $3.16. Now spot's gone up quite a bit lately, and you know, it wasn't that long ago, maybe a month ago, I was paying the same price, and it was only, you know, $2.30 or $2.40 over spot or whatever. But you know, we'll take it. We'll take the same price even if spot goes up, because I know I went to a coin show this weekend, and I talked to the dealer about what he would give me for constitutional silver, and he would already give me more than what I paid for it, so that's good. So if we take the $3.16, right, that's what I said, $3.16 below spot per ounce, and we multiply that by 35.75 ounces, and take a look at this number here. Can you see it? I saved $112.97 off of what I would have paid if I paid spot. So it's just got $113. If I would have paid spot, I would have had to pay $113 more for this constitutional silver. So wow, pretty great deal, huh? I mean, we just have to continue to buy it as long as it's being offered at that price. Just really no reason to say no. And if I can't afford it, I'm going to find somebody in the coin community that can help me afford it, because there is no reason why we should be letting this deal go by. And that's the reason why I don't say no, because I know there's 100 people standing in line behind me wanting this deal. So I make sure I say yes, because I don't want him to, at one moment, call somebody else or reach out to somebody else and suddenly establish that new connection, because we know that he could be selling this for a lot more, and I'm sure sell it pretty quick. Now we'd have to go through the hassle of putting an ad out there and, you know, dealing with people, going back and forth, and then meet them somewhere. I mean, I'm a known quantity to him. He knows if he reaches out to me and gives me this deal, I'm going to say yes. So that's a win-win situation. He wins, I win, I get a great deal. He gets cash in his pocket really within a few hours from the time he reaches out to me and asks me if I'm interested till the time we meet. It's usually only a few hours in between, so that's a great benefit for him as well. He gets the sales really quick, and I get a great deal. We're really happy with this resource and hope that it continues. But I don't know how long this is going to go on. He told me recently that they're getting a little bit low on their end, and that quantities are getting down there. I mean, obviously he's been selling it for quite a while, and I would expect at some point, probably fairly soon, that we're going to have to deal with this resource running dry. And maybe the timing's right with silver continuing to go up, and there'll probably come a point where Mrs. TB and me just want to kind of sit tight for a while, because we've got a great dollar cost averaging right now. A lot of our silver we bought when it was at $13 or $14 an ounce, so we've done really, really well to stack some silver at a great price. So I'm not saying we won't be buying. We'll just probably cool down a little bit and let things simmer for a bit and see where it goes, and go from there. So I appreciate you watching, and if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also, check out these videos that just popped up. Got some great content out there, and I think you'll really enjoy it if you click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.